Hey y'all, it's Shanae and I'm back with another video. I wanted to recreate a hairstyle seen online from one of my lock girlies on Instagram. She had like a updo style and I thought it was super cute, and I wanted to recreate that look and see if I could do it on my locks. Her locks were not that long, similar to my locks, so I felt like my hair probably could achieve this style, and I wanted to see if I could recreate it for one of those days where I just want to have my hair up and just out of my face. Okay, so for this style, she used like a big like clip, a long style clip, but I'm just going to use these because this is all I have. I literally have little locks, so I didn't really feel like I needed a big clip, but now I may need to shop around and find me a bigger clip for my hair. But we're gonna work with these for today, and also a hair tie. Have plenty of these in all different shapes and sizes. You need plenty of hair ties, staples in your lock journey. So I got my spray bottle. Definitely need one of these with distilled water. We are not using tap water, guys. We learned our lesson, right? We're not using tap water on our locks. So I'm going to go ahead and start spraying my hair just to give it like that body, you know, get it moving so it won't be so stiff. And like if you're like a person that oils your hair, this is probably a good time to do that before, you know, you put your hair up. You would oil your hair, or, you know, use like a leave-in conditioner or anything like that. But I'm just gonna spray it. Just gonna spray it just to get some movement so they won't be dry, and you know, that's pretty much it. And she did have like that like some to the side type thing, so I'm gonna do what she did. So let's go ahead and start bringing it up. Now my hair has not been retied. I'm due for a retie in like a couple of days, so I'll come back and share like my length or what have you with another video on that once I get my retie. Yeah, so almost retie time. Yes, I go to someone to get my locks retied. I do not do this for myself. That's my maintenance that I don't mind paying for. I'm not, you know, I am not trying to do all of this hair and you know, because it takes a long, like non-stop, it'll take about 3 hours. But if I was to do it, I don't know, I guess I would just go non-stop and just complete it in the 3 hours, but that'd be a lot. Okay, so as you can see, like the back, like that's where the clips will come in. I'm gonna need some clips for my back, but let's put the tie in. And I'm a one tie girly. I'm not doing like double tying, like tie it and then tie it again to make it really tight. I don't like my hair to be super tight, so it's probably why I don't do too many styles on my hair now. I just leave it like how it is, to be honest. Okay, high pony. So this is me with a high pony. We are 2 years coming up on 9 months locked. 2 years and 9 months locked, y'all. Trust the process, because it was not always like this. Trust the process. Now for the back, to keep it like up, like in the picture, I'm going to start using the clips. So I'll just put that, yeah, something like that. And then I'll do this one. Like, my hair looks good, girl. This hair looks good. Proud. proud of me. You know, oh, something to fail. Something to fail, y'all. I can't get right. Like my back, it grow, but listen, 2 years and 9 months. I ain't quite made it yet, but we almost there. Okay, so this looks like the finished product. I ain't know too much, but this looks like the finished product. I'm going to poof it out a little bit. Do we like it? How are we feeling the hair? Let me do a whole 360 for you guys. Now, before I do the 360, I don't want to hear it. I know what's going on back there. What can I do? Unless I dye my hair or put a rinse in. I have been prolonging that. I want to put a rinse in. I want a color. I'm thinking purple, but again, I don't know when I'm gonna get that done or when I'm gonna feel like doing that, because I feel like I might have to do that. But anyway, come on now, let's get into the style. So we got the clips holding up the ones that'll stay. So I got a couple that may fall. That's okay. The majority of the style is an updo. Are we feeling the look? I thought it was super cute when I seen it online. I can't even think of the lady's name. I will shout her out. Her picture will be somewhere in this video, the inspiration behind the style. But this is super cute. Like if you're going out and about, date night, you know, something cute. Let me know in the comments if it's another style that you feel like I could do on my hair. I feel like we get in there with like the length, so I might can do, you know, like some braids or something, like a little updo with some braids or something. I probably could, but I just haven't experimented with my locks. I just let them grow and I keep it pushing. So this is the style. Again, I would do another 360. Bam, bam, bam. Okay? And you know what? I think I'm gonna keep it just like this for the day. Wait for my boo to come home, see if he like it. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. Again, if you're new to the channel, please like, share, subscribe. Hit me up in the comments, say hey. If you're thinking about getting locks, let me be your inspiration and let you know, like, hey girl, yeah, got somebody to do it. And you get you some locks. Look, another one falling. Anyway, but I'm okay with it. Majority of it is still up and I can make it do what it do. So again, get you some clips, a hair tie, and go on about your business.